Okay, I'm going to quickly go over what colors we are going to be using in this picture. Basically, we will be using black and white. I was hoping to use gray as well, but just in case a lot of you might not have gray, so I'll just leave that aside. Okay, oh, here's the black. Okay, I need that. Okay, so yeah. So black and white. Okay, so what we are mainly going to be doing by coloring this is using different shades. So by dark, basically dark, medium, and light. Okay, and also white to generally color in the moon and stuff. Like, we quickly went over this. So the moon we do white, some other parts we'll figure out how to do white after that while we go. Okay, so what I want to do is, like I said, do a moon right here. We'll color that doing white, and this what's Batman side. We'll be using this black, and doing it dark, like really dark. So press hard on it on the outside, and then we'll do it really light on the inside. Okay, so hopefully that turns out okay. And then for the body side, okay, we're gonna try and do medium for right here, a medium style right here, and then at the back right here, the back one, we will do a dark. Okay, and then for the face, the bottom face, we'll do a very light covered up black. Okay, so then that should, and then a dark eyes. Okay, the body is going to be a bit different. Okay, so with the body, we are going to be focusing on different shades, but within these blocks. Okay, so the top two plates are gonna be split in half, so like right in between, and in the front half it would be light black. Then the next half it would be a normal black. Okay, and the same thing goes with the abs, the stomach. There we will have on the dark side would be on the side, and the light side would be here. Okay, for the ribs, we would split it in two parts again, but on this side we'll have normal, and then like a darkish color right on the side. So it doesn't have to be pressed dark, because I'm trying not to completely press the dark on the body, and yeah, the body, I don't want to press too hard. Okay, so since we have this down, the chest, the stomach, the abdominals, okay, now it's the shoulders. Okay, so the shoulders, we are going to be splitting this up in three parts. Okay, so the first part right here is going to be a light, then it's going to be a medium, and then we're going to get a dark, but not too dark, just kind of a darker tone. And for the actual biceps or the front arm, we are going to have like it's also going to split into two parts within a curve, and it's going to be a light part in the front and a dark part in the end. So when we do color it in using crayons, you will have a better sense of it, and the cape would just completely be pressed in dark black. So black would be everywhere. Okay, and then the background, just like this, when we made the cities like that, I plan on doing somewhat the same thing on here, and once that's done, the shape thing, okay, and then everything should be okay. And then when I use the white, other than the moon, I'll probably just highlight some of the stuff in the bottom, but that's basically it. Everything else is mainly focusing on black. Okay, this is what we are going to be focusing on throughout this week. So try and pay attention, because okay, so I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully our coloring turns out good. Okay, so see you guys later, and don't forget, keep it simple. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and possibly leave a comment if you want to.